All right, welcome back to another Homestead News with Kevin and Pat. I'm Kevin,
I'm Pat.
and today we are in Wilkesboro at the Clayton Homes dealership looking at this home behind us, the Maple. So come along as we take a tour of the Maple. Could it be our next home? Jury is still out on that, but we're going to take a look at it and see what it looks like on the inside. So we have a maple here. And this is the back of the house. And we'll come back over to this other side. There's people over here when we first started, so now we'll come back over. And they are advertising it as $1,000 a month. We'll just say $1,000 for 25 years. Financed by Vanderbilt, which is a Clayton company. So inside the Maple, we have a living room here. And here's some of the similar homes. This here is this home here, the Maple. And first, after the living room, we've got the kitchen here.
I could have my brother build a wall.
So the price was, according to this, $80,142. It is now $79,929, which would be about $999 over 25 years, according to the banner on the outside of the home. The package does not include grading, clearing, water source, septic, sewer, trenching, FHA required certifications, permits, taxes, or closing costs. The package does include delivery setup and footers, plumbing and 200 amp electrical, heat pump, brick underpinning, 2 6x6 decks with steps. For us, we would need 8 ramps instead of steps, but guttering and downspouts, interior or exterior trim, cleaning, project management, attorney fees, HBPP. That is included. Home options total is $47,787. Final price of the home is $127,716. So it may be $79,929, but by the time you get all this here, it's $127,716. And then if you need to dig a well and put in a septic tank, that's going to be additional cost us, as well as the grading and clearing of the land. So you got some big counters here, up above. You got an electric stove here, and perhaps looking at the drawers there. Here in the island, there is some storage here as well, and over here on the other side of the sink is the dishwasher. And right here, just off of the kitchen, is the utility room. Washer and dryer over here. So, and here is another cubby hole. And there's the furnace.
Here's something they need to fix.
Underneath the island there is a outlet. And over here, just off the living room, is the master bath. And master bed. Okay, that was the master closet. The master bed, and here is the master bath. So I've seen videos where some have a bathtub there as well as the shower over here. It's a walk-in shower. It is a little bit of a step up, but a single vanity. All right, and on this side, we have the second bath. It's also a single vanity with a tub, oven, toilet. Bedroom, and the bedroom closet. And the household temperature gauge controls, and the third bedroom. With the closet here. All right, so we just finished up our tour, as you just seen, and well, Pat, what do you think of the Maple?
I do like the Maple. For the price, it is, I think, a very budget home. There are some things that we'll have to figure out as far as storage, but it can be done. I think if the financing can be figured out, then it might just be our next home.
I agree. I kind of liked it. It I like the layout. The layout out looked very nice. So the master bed and bath were on one side, and the other bedrooms were on the opposite side of the house, which they could be used for home office and studio. So yeah, a very good possibility. So we'll see.